Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This is Destined for Beauty. If this is your first time here, my name is Destiny. Hey girl. Be sure y'all hit that subscribe button if this is your first time here so that you don't miss any future content from me. I do videos on beauty, fashion, and lifestyle, and today we are doing a beauty video on this look here. This is gonna be a get ready with me. We're gonna do everything full face. I'll show you my outfit. I go through what fragrance I'm wearing, and yeah girl, so of course I'm still sporting these braids because they're so cute. They are so cute. I have on a couple pieces from Shein that I'm gonna, let you get a little sneak peek of before we do the haul video. But yeah girl, I hope you enjoy this video. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with a friend or family member. And if you want to see how we got this look, girl, just continue to watch. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I've already done my eyebrows. If you want to see how I do my eyebrows, please check the description box. I have a full video on how I do my eyebrows, so check that out so you can get your eyebrows popping. I've also already primed my face, so we're gonna go ahead and get into this makeup, honey. We're gonna go like real cute, real fall type of vibes. I'm using one of my Juvia's Place palettes again, per usual. It's pretty much all I use, and we'll just do like a flush of color on the lid. I'm mostly trying to focus on like skin, and then I'm gonna do a pop-in like fall lip. So with that being said, I got some like brand new Morphe brushes here. I'm trying to decide which one I want to use. I'm gonna go with this guy. This is the Morphe M505 brush, blind girl. And we're gonna go ahead and just flush a color on the lid. I'm gonna go with this pretty brown color out of one of my Juvia's Place palettes. Boom, popping. You want to keep a nice like light hand while you're blending it out. I'm using the Warrior 2 palette, and I'm just going in with this warmer reddish brown shade. About 2 taps into the pan and right on the eye. Okay, so then we're gonna go into the Warrior, what is this? The first Warrior palette by Juvia's Place. We're gonna go into that guy, into this creamy color here. Oops. Into that creamy color, and put that on the brow bone. And this little small brush I'm using, this thing literally just says Morphe on it, so I have no idea. If anyone was wondering, I have no idea at all. But, then I think I'm gonna take that same color and pop it right here. All right, so we have a nice, pretty basic, just smoky brown eye situation. I'm gonna go ahead and pop my lashes on, and I'll be right back. Alrighty, so we have our lashes on. And again, if you want to see how I put my lashes on, I have a whole video on that. I'll leave it in the description bar for you guys so you can see how to put your lashes on. But now for the star of the show, the complexion, baby girl, the complexion. So I'm gonna be using my Juvia's Place foundation like usual, little tiny pea size. I'm gonna take my foundation brush, spritz it with a little bit of setting spray because I do have oily skin, so like I'm not here to mess around with it, but I literally take just the tiniest, like, and that's literally all I'm gonna use. So I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna dot it all over my face and get it popping. Okay, so next up we are going to conceal. I'm going to take my Deep Olive by e.l.f., my matte camo concealer, and we're going to pop that under the eyes, down the bridge of the nose, on the forehead, pretty much all the places that we are looking to highlight. So, and then we're going to let that sit. Then we blend. Okay, and then I just popped on a little bit of a lighter concealer to brighten with, like under my eyes, and I'll let that sit while I get my contour started. I'm gonna take this cream contour blush duo palette from e.l.f. and use this to start my contour with. And today we're switching it up. Today we're gonna contour before we bronze. So now we're gonna bronze. So take this just right on top of where we lay that cream bronzer. Nice light, oh dang, nice light circular motions. Now I'm gonna take my Black Radiance setting powder, the like yellow one, and I'm going to bake my under eye. Chapstick break. So I like to moisturize my lips before I get ready to do any kind of lips. So while I'm baking, I'm just gonna let that kind of hang out, moisturize my lips a little bit. And then we're gonna wipe off the bake. I'm gonna throw on some blush and highlighter, and then we'll be back to do the lip. All right, y'all, so we have blush, we have a little highlight. I think we're looking pretty good, pretty smooth, pretty cute. And I've got this, what is this? The ColourPop X Shayla Lippy Pencil in, I'm sure it's one of these BFF ones. I can't remember which one it is, but it's a little jank. Like it has a hard time like coming out, so I have to kind of like shake it, and then it comes out like a whole bunch. You see what I'm saying? Like a whole bunch, and like whatever, but we can roll with it. I'm gonna line my lips with this. Jank. So jank. This is what we're, whatever. Yeah, okay. And as you can see, I kind of filled in my bottom lip a little bit with it. We're gonna do like a cute fall lippy. So this is from Glam, the lippy subscription. I would love to tell y'all what color it is, but girl, I can't see it. But it's a brown, like a chocolate brown. So we're gonna put this guy on today, girl. We're going real fall. Ooh. Ah, chocolate, girl. Chocolate. Girl. Ugh, it's so good. I'm not sure if it's a matte or not. I can't remember. But it's so chocolate. And I'm here for it, girl. Here for the chocolate brown eyes, the chocolate brown lip. We're here for it, girl. So here for it. If it does dry down matte, we'll see in a sec. But I think we're looking real cute. We're real cute. If it does dry down matte though, I'm gonna go and probably pop a gloss on top of it. But for now, it's got like a satiny feel, but it could definitely end up drying down matte, so I'm not sure of that. Here for it, girl, I'm here for it. So I'm gonna go put my clothes on, do something with my hair. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I'm gonna go get ready, and then I'm gonna come back and share the fragrance that I'm gonna wear with you guys today. And then yeah, we'll go ahead and close out this video, so be right back. All right, y'all, so we're back. We got clothes on, girl. We cute for real now. So I just threw this little top knot on the top of my head, and it did dry down. The like lipstick dried down kind of matte, but after looking at it, I kind of like it. Like, we got this whole matte vibe going on, and I'm just gonna roll with it. So yeah, I went and threw on, of course, my signature, some necklaces. I love jewelry. Some earrings, some like pretty door knockers. I have this top knot going on with my braids. And then of course my wedding rings and a little watch here. I have on this plaid shacket from Shein, so haul coming soon. And then I just have on this Walmart tank, and then these really cute, where are these from? I think these are from like Boohoo. They're super cute, but they have this like knee cutouts. So cute, and they're like wide leg. Super stinking cute. But yeah, so that's the look for today. I'm so excited about it. It turned out really cute. Like, I feel like we look real cute. And then I just put on this like fragrance mist from Bath and Body Works. This one's called In the Stars. So it smells so good. This was actually like gifted to me, so love this. But yeah, girl, that's the end of this get ready with me, this fall inspired look. So I hope you enjoyed. I hope you stick around for more of my get ready with me's and makeup tutorials. So be sure to hit that subscribe button. Do not forget to subscribe, because y'all be forgetting. So until next time, guys, thank you so much for being a part of my D4B fam, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.